Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply for the LIMO service in the China Eastern application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page. And then look for the LIMO service button and click on that. So this LIMO service application is set to offer free luxury airport transfers from London and Shanghai to selected cities and places. So here are the things that you need to know and what you can do to apply. And then if you read the terms and conditions, you have to agree that. And then you have to provide your order or your ticket number, your first and your last name. And by clicking on the agree button, your application for this service will be successful. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.